choose what I'm wearing. I think it's pretty cute. Wearing green again, obviously. And today I have my bangs down because they were crazy yesterday, so I had to pin them back.
That's great.
Let's see if they have Squishmallows. But that one is really cute, but they have a little black cat. Oh, they have a ghost one too. The bat. Alright, at Home Goods, they have the fake ones, which are cute. And the huggable ones, they do actually have a Squishmallow. Look, it's right here. They actually have one. Kind of expensive, and the tag is broken, which is sad. She's kind of cute though. I don't think I've seen a sloth one before. Super cute. I'm not gonna get her though, but I love her eyes. You guys should totally check every store, because places like Home Goods might just have a random one here and there. So, just like this cute one. Again, she's really cute, actually. I'm probably gonna be sad not getting her, but I'm looking for Halloween ones. Okay, I'm just gonna shove her right here. There we go. She's so cute. They have citrine and amethyst. One is so cute. Look at the flamingo one.
Oh, I love it.
Me too. Oh my gosh. That one is so cute. Okay, I'm glad I came back. Okay, I came back and I found the sequin ones. They have a flamingo and the sloth. They have two of the sloth. Some of these huggable ones, which are really cute, actually hug up pals, I mean. But the flamingo one, oh my gosh. She is so cute. So cute. $9.99, so I'm definitely gonna get her the flamingo one. I don't think I've ever seen a flamingo one before. So cute. Okay, they only have the Minnie and Mickey here, which is really sad. I really want Malcolm, and I really want Halloween ones. These guys are cute though, not gonna lie. Not worth 15 though for an 8-inch. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. Little squishy earth in the sun. They have nothing. I'm so sad. Damn, they're all out of here. This too. No Squishmallows, but I'm getting these cute socks. One for me, one for my sister. I think it's really cute. Squishmallows. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they have a squirrel. Pterodactyl. He is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get the pterodactyl. So cute. Have a fluffy unicorn. I have like 10 unicorns literally though. She's very cute. Her name is Liel. And they have the koala that I saw last time. It's very cute. The squirrel is so cute though. I mean, I don't need to get the squirrel, but it's so cute that I might get her. Sydney. Yeah, it's so cute. Alright, you guys, so I'm back from shopping today. I'll show you what I got. First, I got this Halloween little black cat poppet. Isn't she so cute? And she's candy apple flavored or scented. Just smelled like candy apple plastic smell, mostly plastic. But it's really cute. I love the little eye detail. They had 3 others, a ghost, a pumpkin, and a bat. I was debating if I should get the bat or the cat. The bat, though, I didn't like the paint on it. It kind of looks kiddish. Obviously, it's for a kid, but I just didn't like it necessarily. But this one I thought was so cute, and I have a black cat, so I had to get it. I got yesterday. Isn't it so cute? Obviously, I love the earth. I got 2 pairs of these, you guys saw, but of the I Put a Spell on You socks from dollar section. One is for me and one is for my sister. Little bugs and spell bottles. I think it's so cute. At GameStop, I didn't film, but I went in to look for Squishmallows, didn't find any. I got Oblivion for $10. So I already have Oblivion, but I only have it for Xbox 360, and you can't play the Xbox 360 games on the Xbox One, but this one you can play on both, so that's really cool. Works on Xbox One and 360. So I love Oblivion. I love the Elder Scrolls series. This is a game that came out before Skyrim, which is my favorite game ever. So, but I had to get it because that's really cool and it was cheap. Earrings from Betsy Johnson, some Halloween ones. And look how cute these are. They're little black cat ones. Last things we got at the Home Goods, and surprisingly they had Squishmallows. And this one, I've never seen the sequin ones before. So she's pink, and then you can change her to gold. And I don't have a flamingo or really any bird besides an owl. So I had to get her. She was so cute. I love her little wings. And her nose is cute. And so they're the reversible sequin Squishmallows, and this one was $9.99, $5 off. So they had well, you guys saw, but they had a reversible sloth one and then a regular sloth one, but this one was so cute. I can't believe I got her. Oh, and her name is there's no name. I don't know why there's no name. That's kind of sad, but. And then I almost got two at Costco, but I refrained from getting the other one. It was a purple squirrel. I hope they have it at the other Costco at like where I'm gonna be moving to, because I want her. But I got the pterodactyl, and I wanted this one. I went to Costco, and you guys saw I got the koala. Well, I didn't get the koala one, but I filmed the koala. They didn't have any others, but this is the squad that it comes with. See, that's the purple squirrel that I want right there. But I got Shantira. She's so cute. I love the coloring, and look at her little head. It's so cute. Her tail and her wings look really cute. They have like scales on them, and I love that she's fuzzy right here. All of these guys are fuzzy. So she has a fuzzy tail, fuzzy ears, fuzzy tummy, and fuzzy tummy. So this was also only $10, so that's really cute. I'm so happy I found her. I think they are so cute. They're kind of like the old style Halloween cat, like the vintage, if that makes any sense. And I haven't had earrings like this before where they're on like this type of loop, so I'm really excited to wear them. I think they're so cute. I'll wear them out tomorrow. Alright, I'm at a little gift shop. There's no Squishmallows here, but I love these mochi plush. I got this salamander last year. So cute. Oh my god, really cool squishies. Those are so cute. gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna get it. It's only $6. Urban Outfitters is so expensive, but I want it. It's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It's 20 bucks, but I think it's worth it. It's so cute. They're playing Katy Perry. I love it. Alright, so I'm back from Planet Hollywood. My grandparents went to gamble and I just shopped at the mall is connected to there. I have Dairy Queen. It's strawberry, like, what do they call it? It's soft serve and an icy together. It's good, I got it earlier today and I just froze it. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So at Urban, first of all, I love their reusable bags. I think they're really cute, especially this one. I love the color. I shouldn't have got it, but I did. This was $20 on sale. I just think it's so cute. It has some mushrooms and it's a little, I love tiny backpacks. Like, this is my bag I'm using right now. And I don't know what that means down there. It says BDG? I don't know. It was $20 on sale from $50, and I saw this also. There's a weed on the back. So good thing no one can see that because I would get in trouble for it, but I do love that. Cute. But I got that. I don't know if it was worth it, but I think it is. It's really cute and it's pretty good quality. At Attic Salt, I always go here. I saw a lot of fidgets and crystal type things there. You guys saw. I got this. It was on sale. It was originally $22.99 and now it's on sale for $10. It just says there's no planet B, so it's just saying like, hey, take care of this planet. And obviously I love the earth. I'm an earth sign, so I had to get this. I thought it was really cute. I almost always buy a shirt from there because they always have nice ones on sale. At H&M, you guys saw, but I got the horse shirt. I was surprised there's only $5.99. So I got it because I'm a horse girl, so stay true to it, right? I just think it's so cute. It's like a little, it's a weird type of crop top, but, and I got small, that's kind of big, but, and the medium was too big, so I don't want it to be really, oh no, there's a mark right there, that's okay, I can use bleach, but I don't want it to be really like big, you know? So got that. So that's it for tonight. I'm gonna go to like tons of, at least like 2 or 3 Five Belows tomorrow, probably another Target, and maybe another Hallmarks cause I still need Halloween Squishmallows. I found these guys, but, oh, where is it? But I can't find the Halloween ones to save my life, so let's hope that I'll find them tomorrow.